Alright, really quick walkthrough on how to perform a vacuum or pressure test on your chainsaw and or two-stroke. Alright, I use Flexiseal tape. You need two pieces. They recommend rubber. Flexiseal tape is a rubber. Alright, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your first piece and put it in between the carburetor and the intake hose. Okay? Your second piece is going to go in between the exhaust port on the engine itself and the muffler. Okay, make sure you got your spark plug torqued all the way down. If you got a decompression valve on the side of your engine like this one does, make sure it's pulled all the way out. Alright, once you got that, assuming you have a pressure vacuum pump, take the end of your pump hose and you're going to hook it to your inlet hose, to the crankcase, not your fuel hose. There's only two hoses on most chainsaws. Your fuel hose, which is closest to your choke pedal on the very back of the carburetor, and then your inlet hose, which is almost always closest to the intake port. Give her a few pumps. All right. If your needle on your vacuum pump isn't staying in one place after a few pumps, take you some soap water and just spray it. Don't take much. Spray a little bit around where you put your piece of rubbers at. And the decompression valves tend to leak quite a bit on chainsaws, all right? And you're probably going to have a minuscule amount of air escaping through your spark plug, but you know, that's not out of the ordinary. You'll know if your engine's not holding a steady vacuum or pressure. If you got a bad leak, you'll know about it. Your needle will be going down quite quickly, and you'll probably hear that little psst. So, just a quick walkthrough on how to perform a vacuum pressure test. Leave a like, comment if you want me to actually go into a more in-depth video about that. Peace.